Hi, what I'm going to be looking at today is the Western Digital MyCloud Home. This particular drive is the 4TB version. As you can see on the side of the box, it says it's 4TB, it's for backup purposes, comes with an iOS and Android apps, and it enables HD streaming. From a little bit of read up, how it does that, it actually supports Plex server, so that's a great thing. If we have a look further on the box, nothing on the side, nothing much on that side. If we have a quick look at what it says, in various different languages, but it says it's simple to use central storage to organise content from every device wirelessly, on-the-go access, easy searching and streaming. If we look, it says contents, personalised cloud storage, Ethernet cable, AC adapter, and a quick install guide. System requirements: Windows 10 8.107, it's 64-bit only. It supports Mac OS, Sierra, El Capitan or Yosemite. For mobile OS, it's iOS 9 and Android 4.4 and above. Router and internet connection. If we open the box and we have a look what's inside, as you can see, I've already taken the cellophane off, so let's just make this the easy way without all the crackling and the crunching of cellophane. First of all, we've got an introduction. I'll cover over the code. Just really just tells you what to expect in the box. Quick install, if you will. Not really much information on there. If we take the drive out of the box, we put the box just to one side. What we've pretty much got is a hard drive in a box. That's really what it is. For those of you who have got used to these sorts of things before, you can either have external USB, which is really just a hard drive with a USB interface, or you can have NAS, and NAS is network attached storage. It's not really anything to do with the drive, it's got everything to do with the drive enclosure. I've got a NAS drive here, and as you see, we've got a sort of external USB. This is a Seagate version. I think that's 1TB, but that's how that normally works. Forgive the floating cam there. I'm not going to strip this down really in much detail because it's not a teardown video, it is only an explanation. This particular hard drive is the single drive version. It comes in various different capacities actually. It comes in 2TB, 3TB, 4TB, which is what this one is, 6 and 8 as the single drive version. There is more than just a single drive version. There's also the dual drive versions. What the dual drive version does, it works as a RAID configuration. What that enables you to do is either have a very large single virtual drive, but it's based on two physical drives. Because there's two physical drives, you can actually run that as a RAID configuration, and that comes in pretty much I think anything after 6, I think it comes in 4 as well. I think it comes 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 and 20. I'm not necessarily sure about the 20TB, but certainly the 4 would probably be made up of 2 2s, 6 2 3s, 8 2 4s, 12 2 6s, 16 would be 2 8s. But what that will mean is if you set it up as a RAID right from the offset, you're going to have a little bit of redundancy if one of your drives fail, because what it's doing is mirroring on a constant basis. So if one drive fails, the other drive's still got it, and you could change that drive out by contacting Western Digital. This is just a single drive version. Why did I get this? Well, ultimately because I've got an awful lot of data which normally I have on a server. That server is pretty much in my lounge next to this desk that I'm on at the present moment. And because I'm doing all the work in my lounge at the present moment, you've seen it with all the LEDs and smart things and various other things like that. I'm trying to get it a little bit more tidier. So the server's going. It's not going permanently, but it is moving from here to somewhere else. And I really wanted to be able to access my files on the go wherever I need to go. So what we're going to do is not this video. This video is going to be short and sweet. As I said, get it out of the box. I'm not going to tell you what else is in the box, because ultimately, if we look in there, what we've got, right, is we have an Ethernet cable, we have a power cable. It's not USB, it's just a straight barrel jack, and we have, as you would expect if I dig deep, now I don't know whether this is Russian or Greek. I think it looks Russian, don't know, but we've got an English version here. What it does, it gives you your warranty information in X amount of languages, because it says North America, Mexico, South America, Europe, Asia Pacific. I think pretty much this is just sort of like that, like this much is in your language for a document that's this times about 5. But I mean, that's it. That is the Western Digital MyCloud Home. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.